Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a custom Steam trading URL. This is super useful if you want to trade items with friends or on third-party marketplaces. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can manage various settings and preferences. Now, once you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel. You'll notice an option that says Edit Profile. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can customize different aspects of your Steam account, including privacy settings that are essential for trading. After clicking Edit Profile, you'll see several options appear in the left panel. From these options, click on Privacy Settings. This section controls who can see your information and interact with your account, which is crucial for enabling trades with other users. Within the privacy settings, look for the inventory option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select Public. This step is important because making your inventory public allows other traders to see what items you have available for trade. Without this setting enabled, you won't be able to create or use a trade URL effectively. Next, in the upper left corner of the screen, hover your mouse over your username. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Inventory. This will take you to your full inventory page where you can view all your tradable items across different games. Once you're in your inventory, look to the right panel and click on Trade Offers. This section manages all incoming and outgoing trade requests, and it's where you'll set up your custom trading URL. In the right panel again, click on Who Can Send Me Trade Offers. This opens up additional settings that control your trading preferences and security. Now, look for the section labeled Third-Party Sites. Directly below it, you'll see an option that says Create New URL. Click on it to begin generating your unique trading link. A confirmation message will pop up on your screen asking you to verify that you want to create a new URL. Click Create New URL once more to confirm your choice. The system will then generate a unique trading link specifically for your account. After the URL is created, simply copy the link. This is your custom Steam trading URL that you can share with others to receive trade offers directly. Keep this link safe and only share it with trusted sources to avoid potential scams. And that's it! You've successfully created your custom Steam trading URL, making it much easier to trade items with others. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.